Proof that birds evolved from dinosaurs? Right here in the Amazon forest. Hoatzin chicks, found only in South America, hatch with two functional claws on each wing. They're sharp, curved, and perfect for gripping. Nests are built over water. If a predator attacks or they fall, chicks dive in, swim, then use beak plus wing claws to scramble back up like tiny dinosaurs. This is a living echo of dinosaurs like Archaeopteryx, the famous feathered fossil with clawed wings. As Hoatzin grow up, the claws shrink and disappear. Evolution in action. Adults? No claws, clumsy flyers, and they smell like cow manure from fermenting leaves in their gut. Truly the weirdest bird alive. Like if this blew your mind. Subscribe to the Earth Network for daily wild connections.